My dog thinks he's people. Ever heard a chainsaw coming from your dog? Mine snores louder than my grandpa. It's less woof and more zzzz. Last night, I swear he was dreaming about chasing squirrels, and then started snoring in perfect harmony with my alarm clock. I'm not even kidding. Is he a dog? Is he a tiny, furry human? I'm not sure anymore, but it's definitely hilarious and a little bit concerning. Don't forget to like and follow for more hilarious dog content. Share this with a friend who also has a snoring pup. Let me know in the comments if your dog snores too.